Okay, just like equations, you can solve inequalities. You have to remember that what you do to one side, you must do to the other to keep it balanced. So solve each inequality and graph the solution. To solve n plus 8 greater than 19, what you need to do is you get rid of the positive 8 because it's on the side of n. So to get rid of the positive 8, you subtract 8 from each side, and now you have n greater than 19 minus 8, which is 11. So to graph it, this is going to be an open dot. So remember that greater than and less than is an open dot. Greater than or equal to and less than or equal to is a closed dot. So at 11, you're going to do a greater open dot. So numbers that are greater than 11 are this way. B, you have to get the y by itself. So what's in the way is that positive 14. So you subtract 14 from each side. Negative 2 minus 14 is negative 16, less than or equal to y. I can rewrite this as y is greater than or equal to negative 16. See, this time the y has 2 dots, this time the y has 2 dots. So I go over to negative 16, making a closed dot, and I want to do numbers that are greater than negative 16, so it's going this way. Okay, to graph these, I subtract 8 from each side to get t by itself. So I have t is less than 7. So I'm going to make an open dot. Remember, less than or greater than is open. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to is closed. So it's going to be an open dot at 7, and it's less than, so I'm shading to the left. Letter D, I'm going to add 15 to each side. So r greater than or equal to negative 3 plus 15 is 12. So at 12, I make a closed dot, and I shade to the right. And then A down here, I subtract 10 from each side. So V greater than 6 minus 10 is negative 4. So I make an open dot at negative 4, and I shade to the right. Then this one, I add 5 to each side. So it's W is less than or equal to 11 plus 5 is 16. You got to make a closed dot at 16, and numbers that are less than go this way.